Hello everyone! This is Ate Dol Dumundon. Good afternoon! Ang init ngayon dito sa Hong Kong, sobra. Tapos ang traffic kami dun sa Hamay Harbor. So kaya late na late kami dun sa Lance Misiling. Napunta ulit ako dito kasi mas malapit. Mainit maglakad sa taxi. Mainit din. Hindi naka-full yung aircon. Wow. So nagutom ako. Kaya Bal, see, you see the noodle with the drinks is $98. See, look how expensive. In Central, yung kinakainan ko ng noodles doon, $38 plus free drinks doon sa malapit sa market. Dito mahal. Kasi in-order ko yan, may beef brisket, fish cake and beef bowls and wontons, kaya mahal. There. So yeah, this for now. Yes. So there. Daming tao. Ngayon, yung iba natapos na. Nalit si Miss Siling, overlate na kami, pero nag-antay sila. There. Tapos ang init, sobra ng init. Yung matapang yung araw niya. Tapos yung taxi namin, ano lang yung aircon niya, katamtaman lang yung aircon. Oh my God. Meron naman taxi na ang lamig-lamig, ang sarap-sarap, yung feeling mo talaga. There. This is for now. Kahapon yung white noodle naman ang in-order ko, yung soft kind of noodle, yung white. Dito naman brown. Maraming sahog. Kain po tayo. Enjoy your time, Kuya Bal, in Hong Kong, Ate Edna Vlogs, and all the Origin team. Enjoy your time. My time is not easy this time. I'm very busy. Where? Miss Siling and I very busy. Really. See? There. Bye for now. Shout out everybody, mga Team Kalingap. There. This is Ate Dol Dumundon updating in Happy Valley. Bye for now.